Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about type conversion in JavaScript. So how to actually change the type. So here, if I say a variable let's say number, or I can actually say input. I'll say Windows, okay, dot prompt, and let's say I want to say here, and what will happen? So now let's say I want to say here input is equal to input plus 1. So what can I say? Input plus equal to 1. Okay, so it will actually increment by 1. So here I want to console dot log, I want to say the input, and let's say I want to say here 25. Okay, what is happening here? Now let's say I want to say here 25. Okay, and here you can see 25 plus 1 should be 26, right? But here you can see it's showing 25. If I say here you can see 25 1, the input value was string, right? So we need to change the type of this string. If I say here let's say type of input, what will happen if I say sorry, not like this. Okay, so what will happen if I say here 25? Okay, and here you can see this is type is string, right? So we need to convert it. I mean, we need to do type conversion, right? I have to say here that okay, the input is equal to I will say number. I will convert it to number. Okay, so here I'm going to say 25. Still it's showing like this. Okay, no problem. I will say 25. Now you can see 26, and here number. Okay, the type is now number. Okay, so I have to actually typecast it. This is called type conversion. Let's refresh it once again. If I say Yamin, what will happen? And it will say NaN. It means not a number. And here you can see type is the number. Now let's say I want to say one more input. So I will say input here. Let's say I want to make it, I mean comment out it, and I want to say input is equal to Boolean. Okay, I want to convert the input type as Boolean. So I want to show the input here. Now let's say I want to refresh it once again, and here I want to say 0. So it will actually reply me false. If I refresh it once again, and if I say here 0, so now you can see the value is Boolean, right? If I say 1, here you can see true. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.